This is about like 3:30. Look at that. Look at that. It's already up to my door. Wow. This is crazy. My door is even frozen. Look at that. This is my steps. Alright. That's how far it is. 3:30 in the morning. Jesus Christ. Ah! Holy God. Let's see how far I can get down there. Alright, so that is how far it is. Right to there. This is intense. Dude, my mom wants me to shovel this. What? Oh God. Dude, look at these. Alright, I feel like this is a drop off right here. Oh God. Yep, there it is. There it is. So, that's my knee. So that's a good reference for you. Alright, now it's focused. Alright, here we go. Yeah, so check this out. This is intense. Yeah, so that is my knee right here. That's literally how far that is. So just think about that. And that's a factory where some guy plowed and put it all into the middle of the street and made the plow trucks come and move it. It's stupid. Alright, now, oh God, that's my footsteps. And that's our vehicles. Alright guys, I am gonna go inside and, I don't know, bathe in hot chocolate. Alright guys, I'll check you later. I'll do another video tomorrow morning. Well, actually this morning. Alright guys, peace.